The first niche we're going to be looking at is Netflix new movie releases and movie reviews. Your videos can easily go viral and bring thousands and thousands of views that can earn you thousands of dollars every month. Think of ideas like 5 top Netflix movie series of the week or 5 top trending movies on Netflix. So I'm looking forward to starting my own Faceless YouTube channel very soon, and I'm creating the right foundation by doing a lot of research and also learning from a faceless YouTube content creator who is really doing well. And some of my discoveries, especially as it has to do with niches, is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial. Now, I've found several niches and some of them are really not very competitive at this point, and I'm going to be sharing about 6 of them with you, so make sure you stay until the end of this video. The first niche we're going to be looking at is Netflix new movie releases and movie reviews. Now, because this has to do with entertainment and because a lot of people are very likely to be interested, you can easily get monetized with this niche. There are a lot of ideas you can work with, and your videos can easily go viral and bring thousands and thousands of views that can earn you thousands of dollars every month. Think of ideas like 5 top Netflix movie series of the week or 5 top trending movies on Netflix, or doing a review of trending movies that people are talking about or movies that you have recently watched. If I were to go into this niche, I'm going to get a Netflix monthly subscription and I'll follow movie trends and also follow Netflix everywhere so that I can get updates. And then to create the videos, I'll use clips and footages from the actual movie, or creatively use AI to get visuals depending on what I'm going to be talking about, and then use AI also to get my voice over. But one thing with using footages from the actual movie is you have to be very careful so that you won't get copyright strikes on your videos. Now, the second niche we're going to be looking at is historical events and perspective. You can create videos around different topics like historical fashion, entertainment, and lifestyle, or even tell stories about historical figures that were not so popular but still made impact in their own little ways. Now, these channels that you're seeing on my screen are some of the channels that are really doing well in this niche. And while you can check out these channels, the idea is not to copy them. It is to look at what they are doing and then creatively improve on your own content. Quick tip is to check out their top performing videos and look at what people are saying in the comment section or questions that people are asking, because it's going to be giving you an idea of what people are talking about and what you should be creating on your own channel. Think about a topic like how Madonna changed the fashion landscape of the 80s or something similar to that. You can use ChatGPT to get your content ideas, your titles, and even do your scripting. And then you can use tools like Pixabay to get footages or clips of the characters under discussion. You can also use VO3 or any other AI text to image generator to create your visuals. And the third niche we're going to be looking at is weight loss and dieting. There are a lot more population of people who are looking to lose weight than those who are looking to add weight. And I actually fall into the category of people that are looking to gain weight, and I've been on this for years now. But there are a lot more moms, young men and women who are looking to lose weight without sacrificing their favorite meals. And even if you're not an expert in this field, you can actually use ChatGPT to get video ideas and scripting. But because of how sensitive this subject matter is, you want to be careful to verify every information that you're getting so that they won't start dragging you online for sharing information that does not work. Now, before we go further to talk about the fourth niche, if you're yet to be subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor and hit on the subscribe button. And if you're also enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like and also share it with people in your network whom you believe would also benefit from gaining this knowledge as well. Now, the fourth niche we're going to be looking at is to start a self-improvement channel that focuses on the thought processes and daily routines of the top 1% in different industries. People like Kobe Bryant, people like Elon Musk, Trump, and the likes. A lot of people want to actually be successful, and if you can help them to understand and learn about the thought processes and daily routines of the people that they are looking up to, I mean, they are going to really love you. Now, if I were to start or create videos around this niche, instead of using the actual videos or images of the subject under discussion, I can instead choose to create an anime or toon version of this character, and of course use an AI voiceover for my narration, because at the end of the day it is really all about being creative. And the fifth niche we're going to be looking at is AI tutorials. Now, I know that this niche is a little bit saturated, but the truth is that a lot of AI tools are being released into the market every day, and people want to learn about how to use these AI tools. You can create educational content that helps people to learn about how to use different features of this tool. And the good thing about this niche is you can easily get monetized by getting paid collaboration. Now, I know that there are a lot of ways to get monetized on YouTube. It is not until you get, into the partnership program. You can actually get paid collaborations from brands that are releasing these AI tools. They can reach out to you and ask you to promote their, tools on your channel, and they would actually pay you for it. So you can record your screen in simplified tutorials showing people how to use certain features of these tools. And you can actually use your voice for this one, but you don't have to show your face, right? And if you want a face to show on the video, you can actually create an AI spokesperson or an AI avatar that can speak on screen, and other parts of the videos can now be overlaid with screen recording or different relevant footages. And the sixth one we're going to be looking at is to start a Make Money Online Faceless YouTube channel. Now, Make Money Online is also a bit competitive, but I can tell you that it is very profitable because that's the niche that this my channel is on. The truth is that people want to always improve their finances, and there are welcome ideas that would help them to grow their finances. So just like AI tutorials, you can create educational videos that teaches people about how to improve their finances and different ways that they can actually make money online. But then you have to be very careful with this niche because YouTube is always looking out for channels that are creating content around make money online for platforms that are not legit. So before you make any video around make money online, you have to be very careful. And if it's a platform that you're going to be making videos around, you also have to be very careful because YouTube wants to be sure that its audience are not consuming content that will be harmful to them and that would make them to lose their hard-earned money. So YouTube is always very particular about these things, and that's why it's very, very fast to disable or delete channels in the make money online niche. Now I'm going to be giving you a bonus niche, but before I do that, please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you become a part of our growing family and won't miss out when I post similar helpful videos like this one. And if you're looking at starting a profitable faceless YouTube channel, this is actually a place to be because, like I said, I'm learning a lot from top 1% of successful people, and as I start my own faceless YouTube channel, I'm going to be documenting a lot of my growth processes. So if you want to also be a successful faceless YouTube channel content creator, don't fail to subscribe to this channel. And the bonus dish I'm going to be giving you is social media marketing. Now, I know that a lot of people are creating content around this niche, but you can focus on helping people to solve problems that they are having with managing their social media account, growing their social media account. One of the things that is very important with creating content for YouTube is that you are solving people's problems. Once people know that when they come to your channel, they can find entertainment, educational, and informative content, they will stick to your channel. And before you know it, those views are rolling in and monetization is just by the corner. Let me know in the comment section which of these niches stood out for you and which one you're going to be picking to start your own faceless YouTube channel. And as I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay locked in.